Modern research shows that dragon fruit is safe, non-toxic, and full of bioactive compounds that can protect our body from many diseases. Rich in vitamin C and plant antioxidants, dragon fruit help neutralize free radicals that causes aging and cell damage. Dragon fruit protects cells and tissues, lower inflammation, support cardiovascular health. Natural compounds in dragon fruit calm inflammation by blocking harmful enzymes and protecting tissues from oxidative stress. Regular consumption may help prevent chronic diseases and support brain health. High in fiber and antioxidants, dragon fruit helps regulate glucose levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and maintain healthy cholesterol. Both red and white types are beneficial for people with or at risk of type 2 diabetes. The fruit's rich mix of antioxidant and polyphenols help protect cells from mutation and slow the growth of cancer cells. Studies report promising results against colon, breast, prostate, liver, and gastric cancer, with the red variety showing stronger effects. Dragon fruit supports healthy metabolism, lower cholesterol and triglycerides, and prevents fat accumulation. Its fiber aids digestion, keep you full for a longer time, and promote overall weight balance. Red dragon fruit's pigments show potential to block the growth of certain viruses, including dengue, influenza, and SARS-CoV-2, by hindering viral replication and supporting the immune system. More human studies are needed to confirm these results. Both peel and flesh show strong ability to fight bacteria, yeast, and molds, especially gram-positive bacteria. Studies even show dragon fruit peel extract can be used to make silver nanoparticles with powerful antibacterial effect. Dragon fruit nourishes good gut bacteria, improving digestion, immunity, and metabolism. Regular intake helps maintain a healthy digestive tract and prevent constipation. Dragon fruit is a natural, safe, and versatile option for enhancing well-being.